How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode, and this is a very special and excited episode. I'm doing a review in this X5 fog light. This is an H11 kit. Get it on eBay, $17, guys. Really cheap, and we're gonna test it out. This is H11, and I have something special, but I'm gonna have to wait until it gets dark so I can show you. So this is very simple, guys. Someone was asking me about fog lights, so I'm gonna make another video probably tomorrow about the fog lights, but this car didn't come with it, so I'm gonna show you in another episode. I'm just gonna do a little explanation how to do the installation on the wire harness and the fog lights itself. But in this episode we're just gonna do a little review on the fog lights. I'm really excited about this, and you're gonna see why when it gets dark. Okay, guys, this is the one on the driver's side. This is my current setup. This is a 3000K regular bulb, yellow light. This is a regular bulb, yellow one, 3000K H11, 12 volts. This is the regulars. These ones get too hot, and the light is really good. I like it, but we gotta do some better. This is the new X5, and like I said, this is an eBay product. Really easy to do on the installation. I just gotta swap those fog lights for the new ones, and you're gonna see how they're gonna look soon as it gets dark. So let me remove the bumper because I can get access easily on this side, on that one, but on the other side I just don't have any access at all. So I had to remove the bumper. It's few clips on the top, 210 millimeters, one in that side, one on the other, and the rest of them they're clips. I have like 6 more clips underneath, and it's really easy to remove this bumper. I don't have those on the side anymore because I break my bumper. That's why I have this quick release. So I just got the zip tight, and I don't have any bolts. You're supposed to have one in here and one on the other side, but this one doesn't have them because this bumper is really damaged. So I already removed all the bolts underneath, get everything ready. Okay, guys, this is my wire harness, blue and black. The only thing you need to do, make sure before you start it, this is the plus in this side. I don't know if you can see it, but you're gonna see it if you get these lights, plus and minus. So the blue one has to face this side, okay, where the plus is. Plus with blue, minus with black, and the installation is done. You can see on this side my lights are on. So I had to put the bumper back on the car, and a lot of things are coming for this front end. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but it's gonna look amazing. We gotta change a lot of stuff, but I can't tell you what. These fog lights, this is H11. Like I said, you can find them X5s, H11s. If you're running H11s on your Accord or whatever car you have, you can find these lights. And why I like them, I'm gonna show you in a little bit why I like these lights so much. And when I wait, so I'm just gonna wait until it gets dark, and I'm gonna show you why. Ooh, I have a long time that I didn't remove my bumper. I think I need to clean my intake, and I have to do something about these headlights because, man, they look really bad. But that's coming. A lot of things are coming, like keep an eye on my oil catch can. Is a little bit more than halfway. It's just a little bit more than halfway. That thing works. If you haven't checked that episode, check it. I'm gonna put it right now right here so you can check when I install my oil catch can, the second one. And if you wanna check that one, feel free to do so. And I'm gonna put right here the other one that I have where I show you the oil catch can works. When I open my intake plenum and you see how clean it was, check it. I'm gonna put it right there. And whatever you see in this episode is not sponsored. I'm not paying for, For these companies, I pay for this with my own money. So for these companies, you're welcome. So guys, if you can see right here, the camera, it doesn't capture the color really well on these lights. This is the stock yellow ones. This is a H11 kit that I have on my fog lights on this Accord. So this is yellow, and these are regular bulbs. 3000K is not HID, it's only regular H11 3000K bulbs. So that's how they look, stacked. And one of the reasons why I like to go to LEDs, because these ones, they get so hot. LEDs, they don't get hot at all. And these ones, just by touching these ones, the length is already way too hot. Extremely hot, because it's regular bulb. That's what it's gonna do. Okay, this is another setting on my camera. Okay guys, so you guys ready for this? Check out my new lights. Okay, the lights are white, right? But what happens when I turn them off and turn back on? Are you ready for this? Boom. Now guys, we have switchbacks, 3000K and pure white in one single bulb. So by turning the lights off and turning back on, it changes color from 3000K to pure white. How about that? Those LED bulbs are amazing. Let me do it again. What? Guys, I'm super excited about this light. And LEDs, they're not hot at all, guys. Oh, this thing is amazing. So guys, I'm super excited about those lights. Finally, I have something that I really love it. You guys know that I'm really crazy about my switchbacks and my turn signals, my LED lights. I'm gonna do something amazing in a couple weeks. I'm searching right now for parts, but the whole front end of this car is gonna change. I'm just gonna let you know that. Oh, the whole front end is gonna be way different. Wait for that. I'm searching for parts right now, and once I get them, this car is gonna change completely. So let me turn the whole front of the car so you can see all my lights. So there you have it guys. If you haven't checked my videos where I have my switchbacks and my LEDs, my demon eyes, and another one where I put my 3000K lights, I have plenty of videos on my lights guys. Go check them out. I'm gonna put them right here one by one so you can check the one when I did the LED strip, the demon eyes. I'm gonna put the other one when I did the switchbacks. I'm gonna put the other one when I did my 3000K. I have plenty of videos on my lighting guys, so you guys already know. So with this one, I think I complete my lighting. But you know guys, when I find some new products, I'm gonna do more reviews and I'm gonna get them and test them, see how they look. But right now, I'm super excited and satisfied with the way of my car looks. Look at that. I just have white right now, but I can change it if I wanted to. Look at my switchbacks. They look amazing. But if I wanna do all yellow in the front, I can just do it. So guys, tell me what you think about the new lights. I can run white, I can run yellow on my fog lights with those amazing LEDs. Check that out guys. Oh, I'm super excited. So that's all I have for this episode guys. Tell me what you think about these lights. You can get them on eBay. They're really cheap and they're really good. So tell me what you think on the comments down below. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.